Hi, I'm Greg. I'm a DI alum from Bighorn High School originally. And to me, destination imagination means teamwork and creativity and not panicking when things get crazy.
My name is Megan Kolf, and I am an alumni of the Wyoming Association for Creative Youth. I participated in the program for 8 years and then stayed involved as an alumni volunteer by both serving as a board member and a challenge master. I personally am incredibly thankful for WACI and all that it does for the children of Wyoming and all that it did for me personally as a participant.
I like DI. I like it because it shows me the world outside the box. For any challenge we face in life, there are infinite ways to find a path, to create a way through it. I think DI is an excellent means for getting kids and people together to work through different solutions, using their hands, using their words, that take us on pathways into some really interesting territory.
Destination imagination has impacted my outlook on life. Life, as we know, is full of all sorts of challenges, and so growing up doing DI has helped me approach these challenges with curiosity.
Hi, my name's Caleb Gates, and I did DI at Sundance from 3rd grade all the way through high school, and then I did it again in college after that. And one of the skills that I took away from destination imagination that really impacts my life and I use every day is just problem solving creatively, looking for creative solutions to problems, not giving up, knowing that even though something seems really difficult, that with some time and some effort and a little creativity, maybe a lot of creativity, that I can solve any problem.